Hello friends, today I am here to tell you some wonderful destinations situated in Tamil Nadu. If you want to visit there, you should visit these places. You will feel so happy and wonderful. And Tamil Nadu is a wonderful state of our country and full of wonderful destinations. If you will go there, really you will feel that you are in heaven. Okay. And now these wonderful locations are on your screen. Watch this, like and subscribe my video if you like this, and thank you so much. Enjoy this video.